Want to turn everyday moments into cinematic masterpieces? I'm going to show you how to capture smooth slow motion footage using your Canon Eos Rp at 50 fps. First, switch your camera to video mode by rotating the dial on top, then tap the menu button, navigate to the movie rec quality option, usually under the red camera icon tab, select it. Here's the key. Choose a recording option that includes 50p. This indicates 50 frames per second. Ensure you're not in a 4000 mode, as slow motion typically requires shooting in 108p on the Eos Rp for optimal results. Next, adjust your shutter speed. A general rule is to double your frame rate. Since we're shooting at 50 fps, aim for a shutter speed of 1/100th of a second. You can adjust this in manual mode or shutter priority mode. Now, think about your lighting. Shooting at higher frame rates requires more light. Make sure your subject is well lit. To avoid grainy footage, consider using natural light or an external light source. When filming, keep your movement smooth and steady. Use a tripod or stabilizer for the best results, especially when tracking moving subjects. This will help prevent shaky footage and enhance the slow motion effect. Finally, in your editing software, import your footage. Slow it down by 50% to achieve that smooth, cinematic slow motion look. Experiment with different playback speeds to find what works best for your clip. And that's it. You've now captured awesome slow motion footage using your Canon Eos Rp at 50 fps. Don't forget to experiment and have fun. Like and subscribe for more Canon Eos Rp tips and tricks.